Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through how to get your AirPods to announce the name of the person who is calling you. It's actually relatively simple to set this up. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the settings on your iPhone, and that should look something like this. So once you have your settings opened up, the next thing that you're going to do is click on where it says phone, and that's going to open up the phone's settings menu. At that point, you're going to click on where it says announce calls, and then that'll take you to the last screen that you're going to have to make the changes on, and your different options here are always headphones and car, headphones only or never for announcing the person's name who is calling you. Now, since we want to do this with our AirPods, that is going to be the headphones only, so that is what we're going to select in this particular menu. And then at that point, it should announce who is calling you through your headphones when your headphones are connected to your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll catch you back here next time.